This is a collaboration with Irene and It's a contemporary dancer, and the project's name is called Membrane. Irene and I met, I felt really a good feeling from her and a great connection. I felt like a sister or, blood related sort of feeling. And gradually we got to know each other, and I just had an idea that I really wanted to do collaboration with her. And I remember this things happened before this or after this. One time when she came to see my painting, and she really touched and cried. And at that moment I felt the really deep connection through my painting, and I felt that she understands everything about, well, not everything, but the kind of emotions I feel. And it's interesting feeling like through my art, and then I feel connect. So like three things connected each other, and it's a deep feeling that you cannot really explain. I was really touched, and this is kind of like one of the dream come true, because I really wanted make people to cry through my artwork, especially paintings. And I feel that to make people cry by two-dimensional artwork, it's really difficult. So this membrane is it's cells wall, it's the wall of the cells. So all the cells have got membrane, perhaps social membrane, emotional membrane, and we accept and not accept. So even at cell level, we do accept things, we do reject, like virus, we reject. And well, yes, virus sometimes we try to reject, but we thought that thing we thought that we need it. It's necessary to accept, but the way we get a poison, and that often happens in the human life as well. So I wanted to express that through movement and these yarns and threads and strings. So these are all our experiments that we've been doing in East London. In order to be yourself, you got to be in the presence, you got to be in the moment. It's impossible to understand yourself without being that, and without outside the box, that's in a way outside of shell. If you're outside of shell, you will be vulnerable. And how can you be vulnerable in a society? Well, you got to find a way to do that. It's interesting, all these experiments can look very unnecessary, but it becomes so necessary for our life. And also working together is a bit different, because you would feel the connection. I think the dimensions will be different if you're working with 3, you're working with 5 or 10 or 100. And I quite like one-on-one collaboration, because there's no way to escape